In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DMARC record for GoHighLevel email sending domains. DMARC is a key email authentication record that helps protect your domain from spoofing and improves your email deliverability. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to find the DMARC details inside GoHighLevel so you can then add them to your DNS settings at your web host. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and heading over to the Launchpad area for your location. This is usually the main dashboard you see when you first open a specific location. From here, look towards the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open up all the configuration options for this location. Once you're on the settings page, look for the section called Email Services. This is where GoHighLevel manages your email sending configuration, including your default provider and any dedicated domains. Go ahead and click on Email Services to continue. On the Email Services screen, you'll see your default email provider listed. In many accounts, this might show as something like send.lcmsgsndr.org, but in your account it may be a different provider name. The key thing is to click on whatever appears in the Select Default Provider section. This will open up the detailed settings for that specific email service. Next, at the top of that page, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab labeled Dedicated Domain. This is where you can connect and manage your own sending domains instead of relying only on the default shared domain. On the Dedicated Domain tab, look for a button that says Add Domain and click it. A form will appear asking you for the domain name you want to use for sending emails. Type in your domain name exactly as it appears at your registrar, without any extra subdomains, then double check for typos before moving on. Once the domain name is entered correctly, click on Add and Verify. GoHighLevel will now create all the necessary DNS records for that domain. After a moment, you'll be prompted to click Continue to move to the next screen. You will now see a list of DNS records that you need to add at your domain host. Among these records is the DMARC record. Make a note of the DMARC host and value shown here. Then go to your web hosting or DNS provider and add that DMARC record exactly as displayed. After saving it there, return to GoHighLevel later to verify that everything